When a passenger passes away during a space mission, there is often uncertainty regarding the appropriate course of action for handling the deceased individual. Recently, NASA has provided an explanation for this matter. When an individual passes away beyond the confines of Earth, questions arise about what transpires in the aftermath of death and how the physical body is managed. As part of their preparations for forthcoming lunar and Mars explorations, NASA has unveiled a protocol addressing these specific concerns. NASA places a strong emphasis on ensuring the optimal health of astronauts chosen for space missions. In the event of a fatality occurring in space during a mission, NASA diligently evaluates the appropriate procedures for handling the deceased individual. NASA's ambitious plans include significant missions aimed at sending humans to the Moon by 2025 and Mars within the next decade. Consequently, there exists the potential for human casualties in the context of space exploration. Every space traveler undergoes extensive mental and physical preparation for such journeys. All necessary precautions and safety measures to prevent accidents in space are meticulously arranged within the spacecraft. In the event of an accidental death occurring on the International Space Station, protocols are in place to promptly return the deceased individual's body to Earth within a matter of hours. However, for those who pass away during missions to the Moon and Mars, there are two distinct sets of arrangements in place. In the unfortunate event of a death occurring on the Moon, the space team will make arrangements to return the deceased individual's body to Earth within a few days. However, if such an incident were to happen on Mars, the team initially embarking on the mission would not return. Instead, the deceased individual's body would be carefully placed in a special body bag and kept within the spaceship. However, if such an incident were to happen on Mars, the team initially embarking on the mission would not return. Instead, the deceased individual's body would be carefully placed in a special body bag and kept within the spaceship. The spaceship's internal temperature would be adjusted to an appropriate level to preserve the body until the mission team completes their objectives and returns. If a death were to occur on the Martian surface after landing, burying the body there would lead to additional energy consumption for the remaining crew members. Furthermore, due to the presence of bacteria originating from the deceased body, processing it on Mars is not feasible.